Hey guys, welcome to Brown Fun Boys channel. So today we're going to be playing this game called Toca Kitchen. It's where you make different types of food for customers. So yeah, we're going to play the game. You can pick your characters. So I'm going to use this character and I'm going to make the food. So in the refrigerator we can pick ingredients that we want to make. So I'm going to get a potato. I'm going to put it into the cutting board. I'm going to chop it up so we can turn it into fries. So let's go, and we're going to put it on the plate. Let it go. Now we go back here and Now we're gonna put it inside the fryer. Add all of the fries, the potatoes to the mixture. We're gonna plop it down. Gotta season it with some salt, pepper, and a little lemon. And maybe we can add some soy sauce, some hot sauce. And yeah, so we're gonna let that cook. Now we take it out and we bring it to the customer. Now for a drink, we can make how about orange juice? Then we're gonna plop it inside this mixture and it turns into orange juice. So now the dinner is ready, so we're gonna feed the person it. See if they like it. Seems like they do. Let's feed all of it. Now time for the orange juice. Throw the cup away. There you go. Now, we're gonna make something a bit disgusting. We're gonna make some corn soup. We're gonna see if the person likes it. It turns out to be this disgusting yellow. I think all the little corns are gonna be in there. See if they like it. Seems like they do. That's a surprise. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna make some more food for somebody else. So let's go. We're gonna pick this person and let's see which we should make. So I was thinking we can make like some vegetable stuff. We're gonna maybe we can make some kind of vegetable soup. So let's put it in the fryer and we're gonna sizzle the butter. Gonna put the corn, this, and I'm gonna let that sizzle. Yeah, so it seems like it's done. So now I'm gonna let this sizzle. Best part, we're gonna add tons and tons and tons of hot sauce to make our customers so mad. Add so much hot sauce. Here you go. And now we're gonna make the worst drink of all. It looks like a pinkity-dinkity drink from Starbucks. Not yet. First we have to eat this. Gotta add tons and tons and tons of hot sauce. A lot of hot sauce. so much hot sauce that all of you will want to subscribe. Is it hot? I knew it. How does she like that kind of drink? Well, you guys, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to Brown Fun Boys channel. And make sure you download this app on your phone. It's called Toca Kitchen 2. You can play the first game or the second game. And tell me in the comments down below, which game did you like? I will be waiting. Bye everyone. And make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. And go check out our website, brownfunboys.com. Bye everyone.